Sesame Street Ramp Racers.
To start, press the play button. Is there one player or two players? Two players. Two players. One player will help Elmo, and the other player will help Rosita. Elmo and Rosita want to race our ping-pong balls.
Sissy, but there's a problem. We don't have a racetrack.
What do we say when we have a problem?
I wonder...
What if...
Let's try!
Elmo wonders how we can make a racetrack.
What if we use things we find around the house?
Let's try! Player 1. Elmo and Rosita made 3 stacks of books. Let's use the objects to connect them and make a ramp. Use these items to make the ramp. Smooth tray. Bumpy toy brick. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Elmo wonders why the ball didn't make it across the finish line. What if we add another piece? Let's try rough scrub brush. Bumpy toy xylophone.
Player 2. My turn. Choose some items to make a ramp. Bumpy xylophone. Smooth drawing board. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. I think we might need to add another piece to the ramp. Oh, we did it! Now let's get ready to race!
Race time! Let's see whose ball crosses the finish line first. Click on the Go button to start the race. Ready, set, go! Watch them go!
My ball made it across the finish line first.
Nice race, everyone.
Should we race again?
Or make changes to our ramps. Let's change our ramps and try again. Player 1. Elmo wonders how to make Elmo's ramp faster. Elmo wonders if smooth pieces will help the ball go faster. Let's change the items in the ramp. What if we change out a bumpy piece for something smoother? Let's try. That seems smooth. Elmo wonders if it will help the ball go faster. Smooth tray. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Let's change the height of the books. Book. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. Let's change the items in the ramp. Smooth cardboard tube.
Player 2. My turn. I wonder how I can make my ramp faster. I wonder if the smooth pieces will help the ball go faster. Let's... Time to put our ramps to the test. Let's race.
Click on the Go button to start the race.
Ready, set, go! My ball is a little slow.
Elmo's ramp was the fastest. Nice race, everyone.
Should we race again?
Or make changes to our ramps.
Okay, let's change our ramps and try again.
Player 1. Elmo wonders how to make Elmo's ramp faster. Elmo wonders. Elmo doesn't think we can make that stack of books any higher. Let's change the items in the ramp. Let's change the height of the books. Click on the ball when you...
Player 2. My turn. I wonder how I can make my ramp faster. I don't think we can make that stack of books any higher. Click on the ball when you're ready to test your ramp. That seems smooth. I wonder if it will make the ball go faster. Smooth ruler. Click on the ball when you're ready to test. Let's see how our changes work.
Let's race. Click on the Go button to start the race. Ready, set, go! Ooh, so fast! It's a tie! Both our balls cross the finish line at the same time. Nice race, everyone!
Should we race again?
Or make changes to our ramps.
Let's race again. Let's race.
Click on the Go button to start the race.
Ready, set, go! ¡Qué rápido!
Tie!